So this is the UI, the user interface of our studio. If you see here, it consists of four windows. So this is the first window. Okay, window one, where you will write the code and you will execute. Okay, you have another window. So this is called as the console where the code, whatever you have run, will be executed and you can see the result over here. Fine. And then you have another window. So this is an environment window, or you can have variables in it. So whatever variables you create here in the code, you can see that variables over here. And also you can see certain environment, what are the connections and other things also. Fine. And next, you have one more window. Okay. So you have one more window, which is called as help. Okay, so you can get help from here, some certain information, and also you can see some plots over here. So whatever plots you execute, you can see in this window. Okay, so this is what the look and feel of UI of our studio is. So let us quickly run, guys. Okay, so you need to explore. See, you need to explore few things on your own and all. I will tell you. So let us go to the very basic thing. I'm adding one plus one. So 1 plus 1 everyone knows. So how to run the code of RStudio? How to execute that one? Fine. So to execute, highlight the text. So what I am doing, I am highlighting the text. And what you have to do is you have to press Control Enter. Okay, so Control Enter. See, when I press Control Enter, if you see here, you got the result over here. See how to run the code. First point, highlight the code you want to execute and then press Control Enter. So what you have to do, highlight the text. First highlight the text. And after that, what you have to do, you have to press Control plus Enter. So when you do that one, your code will execute and your code will be displayed or the result will be displayed in the console. Okay. So that is the thing. And now 1 into 1. So again, Control Enter. Okay, that is 1. Next, 2, 3 plus 2 multiplied with 5. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 plus 3 multiplied with 5. So let's come here. Let us resolve this one. 2 plus 5 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 multiplied with 5. That is 25. So we have to get a result of 25. Let us see whether we will get the result of 25 or not. So highlight the text, run it. See, we got result 13, not 25. Okay. So what is the reason? Why we got the result of 13, not 25? So here, guys, these type of additions, multiplications and all will follow some rule called as Bodomus rule. So we have some rule called as Bodomus. Bodomus. So what is Bodomus rule? According to Bodomus rule, first preference will be given to bracket of, next division, next multiplication, next addition, next subtraction. So according to this rule, if you see, we have multiplication first, then addition. So what it is doing, it is first doing the multiplication part. 2 into 5. So that is 10. So, and then again it is doing the addition part, that is 3. So that is the reason we got result 13, not 25. Okay. So do remember, make a note of this point, Godamas rule, and study through Godamas rule, guys. Okay. If you don't know. Next, 3 plus 2, star 5. Okay. So according to the rule, what it has to do, it has to first take care of the bracket thing, that is 5, and then it has to take care of the multiplication thing. So the result will be 25. See, we got a result of 25. Okay, that is a thing. 3 greater than 7. 3 is not greater than 7. So highlight the text, Control Enter, we have to get false. Yes, false. Is 3 equal to 3? Okay, see, my motto is here to make familiar with the code, guys. That is the reason I am running all these things. 3 equal to 3. Yes, 3 equal to 3. So what we have to get? True. Next, 1 colon 50. 1 colon 50. So what is 1 colon 50? We'll get numbers from 1 to 50. See here, 1 to 50. So 1 colon 50. For example, what I'm doing, I'm changing it to A equal to 1 colon 50 and A. Okay. Try to run this one. A equal to 1 colon 50. Run it. A. Correct. See, this is A. So 1 colon 50 means numbers from 1 to 50. Okay. Now, if you go to the definition of a vector, fine. So come here. This is the vector. So if you see how to create a vector, so vector can be created using colon operator, C operator. So now using colon operator, 1 colon 50. A equal to 1 colon 50. That means what we are getting? We are getting numbers from 1 to 50. So what we done here? Exactly. So what we have done here exactly? We had created a vector using colon operator, 1 colon 50. Suppose if I say P equal to 1 colon 10 and value of P. Okay, right? Right. So we created a vector from 1 to 10 using colon operator. So if you go to this colon operator, what we'll get? You'll get sequence of numbers. If you see here 1 colon 50, what we are getting? We are getting sequence of numbers. Okay, 1 colon 10, what we are getting? Sequence of numbers. Okay, and now you may think that what is this thing? What is this? What is this one? So 1 is index. What is this 26? So 26 is the index for 26 element because indexing will start with 1. So 1 index is 1, 2 index is 2, 3 index is 3, 4 index is 4, 5 index is 5 like that. Okay. So that is the thing you need to understand. Next, 1 column 5. Right? So numbers from 1 to 5. Mean of 1 column 5. So what it is doing, it is taking numbers from 1 to 5 and it is calculating the mean. So what is exactly happening here is, so it is taking mean of 1 column 5. So what is 1 column 5? It is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what it is doing, it is taking mean. So it is adding 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So what it is doing, 15 by total number of elements, 5. So what is mean? Mean is 3. Okay. So we have to get 3 as the result. Okay. So run it. See, we got 3. And next, mean of 1 column 100. Okay, so mean of 1 column 100. Run it. See, it is 15 point, 50 points. Mean of 1 column 100. Again, mean of 1 column 100, 50 points there. See, it's throwing an error. Why it is throwing an error? It has understand what is mean of 1 column 100. We got a result over here, but this it is throwing an error. If you see, this is in small letters, but this is in capital letters. So what you have to understand, R programming is case sensitive. What you have to understand, R programming is case sensitive. So that is the reason we got an error. Okay. Next, mean of 1 column 100. Running 1 column 10. It is 10, 5.5. Mean of 1 column 100. See, again we got it. See, here we are taking capital mean, but here if you see this M is capital. So that is not L. Fine. Now Look at this window, guys. This window, come here. Look at this window. So what I told you, this window is called as help window, right? So what is question mark mean? If you ask information, you will get in this window. Suppose I am asking what is mean. I don't know. I don't know what is mean, and I am asking regarding what is mean. So question mark mean, correct? See. So it is telling us what is mean is exact. If you observe, it is telling what is means. So arithmetic mean, and it is giving certain description over here. Okay, so that is mean. So not only question mark mean, guys, you can ask like help of mean. You will get in this window. Okay, suppose help of mean, control enter. So again, I'm getting here arithmetic mean and all. Okay, so that is help window. How to get with a question mark, or you can use this keyword help. Right. Next, commenting. So how to do commenting? So you can use hash if it is single line commenting. Okay. So here I have 1 plus 1. So hash we are adding or doing sum of 1 comma 1. Okay. So if you see here, this is multi-line, this is multi-line and all. So for a single line, you can use hash for commenting the code. If you want to have multiple lines, for example, this is multiple line. This is single line. You can use hash to comment a single line. If you if you want to if you want to do multiple line commenting, what you have to do is you have to use this double quotation. See here. So it should start with a double quotation and it should end with a double quotation. So this is how you can do multiple line commenting in R language. Okay. So this is multiple line commenting. Next, A, A less than hyphen 1. So what is the meaning of A less than hyphen 1? Guys, I already told you, our language is not meant for the programmers. See here, A less than hyphen 1 means it is nothing but A equal to 1. So this is how it is notated in our language. Do you remember everyone? A less than hyphen 1. That means it is nothing but A equal to 1. So it is nothing but initialization. So we are assigning a value of 1 to A. So variable A consists a value of 1. Do remember that thing. Okay. So this is A less than hyphen 1 means A equal to 1. So this is how in our language it is noted. You can also use equal to also, but generally our programmers they use A less than hyphen 1, less than hyphen symbol instead of equal to symbol. Okay. So come here. So A less than hyphen 1, A. So correct. So that is 1 because A value is 1. Now you go to this window, variable window. So if you see here, values A1. So whatever variables you create here, you can see in this variables also, values also in this window also. Fine. So that is one. A equal to 2. So what is A? A is 2. See here, it has changed over here. A equal to 2. You can see. Next. B less than hyphen 1. What is the meaning? B equal to 1. So what is B? 1. Okay, so B value 1. C less than equal to 2. What is value of C? 2. D less than hyphen 3. What is the value of D? 3. Okay. Next. X less than hyphen 1 colon 5. What is the value of X? Numbers from 1 to 5. So 1 colon 5 means you will get numbers in arithmetic order, arithmetic progression 1 to 5. Okay. So let's see. So if you see here X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is there. Again, Y equal to 1 colon 5. So what is Y? Numbers from 1 to 5. Okay. Z less than hyphen X. Okay. Z less than hyphen X. That means what we are doing, we are initializing this value of X. So do remember guys, x is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, let me slow down. See, x is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So now what I'm doing, I am initializing that value to z. So if you see here, what is x? X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm doing, I'm saying z less than hyphen x. So what is the meaning? Z equal to x. That means I'm assigning this value of x to z. So what is now z? Z equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this z will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you check here, let us run and check here whether we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or okay. So run that one. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. X of 1. X of 1. Which value we can expect? I had discussed with you also. So what is X? X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the index of each and every element? Index of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5. So now what I'm asking, X of 1. So which element we can expect outside, guys?
1.
Yes, we can expect 1, right? So X of 1 means 1. So what is this? This is called as indexing. In order to grab a particular element, we use something called as index. Fine. So come here. So X of 1. Right? See, we got 1. Now, X of 1 less than hyphen 6. X of 1 less than hyphen 6. So if I run X, what would be the values? Think logically and answer. Think logically and answer. X of 1 less than hyphen 6. What is X?
6.
You completely tell what is the value of X. Mahalakshmi.
Sir, it is 6, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so you say that that is 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let us check that one. Right. See, it is 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's very good. So I will explain like how we will get this result. Thing is, so x of 1. What is x of 1? 1. So x of 1 less than hyphen 6. What is the meaning? That means we are making this 1 to 6. So what happening now? X will become 1 is now became 6. So we'll get 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the result. Okay. So 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the result. Fine. So we get 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That is the thing. Next, x of 6 less than hyphen 8. So now what is the value of x? Any one of you. Krishna, please answer that question.
2, 3, 4, 5, 8, sir.
6, 2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 8.
8. Okay, let us see whether we will get that one up. Yes, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yes, guys, very good, Krishna. So if you see here, x of 6, actually, x does not contains the sixth element. But what we are doing, we are adding the sixth element and we are giving a value of 8. So that is the reason sixth element we got 8 as the answer. Okay. Now, x of 7 equal to 10. X of 7 equal to 10. Vasha, what is the answer?
7.
What is the answer? Or what will be the value of x now?
6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10.
Little bit louder, buddy.
6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Okay, 8 will be there or not?
Yes, sir. It will be there.
8 and 10. Okay, very good. Fine. Let us run that one. So we got 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 10. Very good. Now, x of 20 less than equal to 18. Okay, fine. So who is going to answer this one? Abhineshri. Will it run or we'll get an error? Can anybody tell? Lalita Shri, what would be the result?
I think it will be run, but values of x of 8 to 19, it will be 0, I think, sir.
You think it will be 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Let us run that one and see. Right? See, it executed. Very good. Good try, Lalita Shri. But 0 is a value, right? So we will not get a value. Instead of that, what we will get? NA. NA. Not available. And 20th number is 8. So we got 8. Okay. So that is the reason, guys. So the same thing, if you go to other languages, they will throw an error. But if you see our language, so I told you, our language is not meant for programmers. It is only meant for statisticians and data analysts. That is the reason it is made in a simple way. The coding and all will be in a simple way. So fine. So this is the result. Okay. That is the thing. And next, Praveen less than -1. So what is Praveen? Praveen is 1. So you can have a lengthy names also. Praveen less than -x. So what is Praveen? Because x is this one. So Praveen will be that. Correct. So that is the thing. Fine. Fine, guys. Let me stop recording. We shall continue our journey from tomorrow.